Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, DSers. Now, I've been using DSers for a while now, and I've been really impressed with the platform. But one thing I've always wondered is, does DSers offer branding? Well, the answer is yes and no. Let me explain. What DSers offers. DSers does offer some branding features. For example, you can add your own logo to your products and packaging. You can also create custom shipping labels and invoices. However, DSers doesn't offer the same level of branding customization as some other platforms. For example, you can't create your own custom domain name or website. The benefits of branding. Branding is important because it helps you to stand out from the competition. When your products are branded, it makes it more likely that people will remember your brand and choose your products over others. Branding can also help you to build trust with your customers. How to get branded with DSers. If you're interested in getting branded with DSers, there are a few things you can do. First, you can create a custom logo and add it to your products. You can also create custom shipping labels and invoices. Finally, you can promote your brand on social media and other online channels. The downsides of DSers branding. While DSers does offer some branding features, it's important to be aware of the limitations. For example, you can't create your own custom domain name or website. This means that your brand will be tied to the DSers platform. So, does DSers offer branding? Yes, but with some limitations. If you're looking for a platform that offers more branding customization, you may want to consider another option. However, if you're just starting out and you're on a budget, DSers can be a good option. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use DSers for branding is up to you. There are pros and cons to both sides. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.